Hey, what's up everyone? So today we're going to do SAT Math, and our topic is going to be the explicit formula. Alright, so as I said in the last video, I said we'd talk about the explicit formula, the geometric explicit formula. So in this we need to know the first term and the common ratio, and we can find any value in this sequence. So let's go on to the next slide and write out a formal formula for this, and we can do a few problems on this. So let's get started. So let's say we have this: a of n is equal to a of 1 times r to the n minus 1. So as usual, this is our target value. We're trying to get this value. This is our first value in the series, and r is our common ratio, and n is our term number. So if we want to find the fifth term in this sequence, we'd plug in 5, we want to find the fifth. So, and this is pretty much our formula. As long as we know a of 1, r, and our term number, we can find any value, any term in this sequence. So let's do a few problems with this, and let's see where we can get at. Let's get started. Alright, so let's say we're given a series. Our series is 5, 15, 45, and 135. First of all, let's find our common ratio. Our common ratio is times 3, times 3, times 3. So let's make an explicit formula which will help us find any value, any term value in this series. So let's say we have a of n is equal to a of 1 times r to the n minus 1. Alright, let's try and move this up a little. There we go. So we know a of 1 is equal to 5. So we can rewrite this as a of n is equal to 5 times 3, which is our common ratio, to the n minus 1. This formula here helps us find, let's move that out of the way a little. Let's move that there. Okay. This formula will help us find any value, any term value in this sequence. So let's say we want to find the fifth value in this sequence. Actually, we could do that anyways, but actually, let's say we want to find the 10th value in this series. So we'd write a of 10 is equal to 5 times 3 to the 10 minus 1, which is equal to 5 times 3 to the 9th, which ends up being 5 times 3. Sorry, I wrote that wrong. That should be 5 times 19,683. And that comes out to be 98,415. So as we can see with this example, that this geometric series formula, the explicit formula, will help us find any term as long as we know the first number in this term and the common ratio. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.